Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform any image with text prompts AI. Nano Banana AI. Full tutorial. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what makes Nano Banana so special. It's Google's cutting-edge AI image editing and generation model, officially known as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. This tool was released fairly recently and quickly became a viral sensation across social media platforms. What sets it apart is its incredible ability to create hyper-realistic edits, seamlessly blend multiple images together, and maintain perfect consistency throughout all your transformations. The absolute best part is that you can use this powerful technology completely for free through Google Gemini or through dedicated mobile apps like Imagen that offer even more features. To begin your creative journey with Nano Banana, you'll first need to access the platform. The most straightforward method is through Google's own Gemini interface. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to gemini.google.com. You'll need to sign in with your Google account to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll immediately notice the clean, intuitive interface with a prominent option to upload your images. If you prefer working on mobile devices, there's an excellent alternative available. For those using iOS or macOS devices, you can download the Imagen app directly from the App Store. This application provides a sleek, optimized interface for mobile editing and offers daily free uses, with an optional Pro plan available for unlimited access to all features. Now, let's walk through the entire process, step by step. Everything begins with uploading your source image. Look for the Upload button, which is typically represented by a plus sign or cloud icon prominently displayed on the screen. Click this button and select any image from your computer or phone that you want to transform. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm using a standard portrait photograph. Once your image finishes uploading, it will appear clearly in the main workspace area. Next, you'll need to locate the text prompt input box, which is where the real magic happens. This is where you'll describe, in detail, the transformation you want the AI to perform. For our example, I'll type, "Transform this person into a cyberpunk character with neon-lit hair, wearing a futuristic jacket in a rainy Tokyo street at night." Remember that being specific and descriptive is absolutely crucial here, as the AI relies entirely on your detailed instructions to produce accurate and impressive results. One of Nano Banana's most impressive capabilities is its support for multi-image fusion. This advanced feature allows you to upload several different images and blend them together seamlessly into a single, coherent composition. For instance, if you have a clear photo of yourself and a separate high-quality image of a dog, you could use the prompt, "Create a natural-looking portrait of me petting this dog in a cozy living room setting." The AI will intelligently merge these images while maintaining realistic details like consistent lighting, proper shadows, and matching textures throughout the entire scene. Another incredibly powerful feature that often goes overlooked is the negative prompt box. This specialized input field allows you to explicitly tell the AI what elements or qualities you want to exclude from your final image. For our cyberpunk example, I might add specific negative prompts like ugly, deformed, blurry, cartoon, watermark. Using this negative guidance helps the AI avoid common artifacts and visual errors, ensuring a much higher quality output that looks professional and polished. It's definitely a pro-level technique that can significantly enhance your final results. Now, let's discuss the various settings and parameters available to fine-tune your transformations. Look for adjustment options labeled Creativity, Strength, or Transformation Intensity. These sliders control how dramatically the AI will alter your original image. For complete transformations where you want everything changed, set this parameter to somewhere between 80 and 90%. For more subtle edits where you want to preserve most of the original image while adding specific elements, keep this setting much lower. If you're using the Gemini web interface, please note that all outputs will include a discrete watermark and are typically rendered at 720p resolution. For higher quality results without watermarks, consider using the Imagen app, or exploring upscaling options after your initial transformation. Once you've perfected your prompt and adjusted all your settings, it's time to click the Generate or Transform button. The AI will now process your request, which usually takes just a few seconds depending on server load and complexity. You'll then be presented with a side-by-side comparison showing your original image alongside the newly transformed version. If the results aren't quite what you envisioned, don't worry. You can easily refine your prompt and regenerate, or use the multi-turn editing feature to make successive, cumulative changes. For example, you might first add a completely new background, then change the subject's outfit in a second step, and finally apply a specific filter effect, all while the AI maintains perfect context and consistency from your previous edits. After achieving exactly the result you want, you'll want to download your finished image. In the Gemini interface, simply click the download icon, which looks like a downward arrow. In the Imagen app, use the export option found in the menu. For the best possible quality, especially if you've performed multiple editing steps, consider using the upscaling feature. In Imagen, you can simply prompt upscale this image to significantly enhance both the resolution and overall clarity of your final creation. Let's explore some of the more advanced use cases where Nano Banana truly shines. The platform excels at virtual try-ons for fashion and accessories. Simply upload a clear photo of yourself and an image of the clothing item you want to try. Use a prompt like, "Make me wear this dress realistically." For optimal results, you might need to perform multiple editing passes to properly remove underlying clothes or adjust the fit perfectly. It's also incredibly powerful for interior design transformations. Upload a photo of any room and prompt. Add a modern bookshelf and a leather couch. The AI demonstrates remarkable spatial understanding and can place new objects realistically within existing environments. Another hugely popular application is the 3D figurine trend that's taken social media by storm. To create these viral images, use the prompt, "Create a 1/7 scale realistic figure on a transparent acrylic base," with packaging box beside it. You can also restore and enhance old family photos by using prompts like, "Restore and colorize this image cinematically." For content creators, you can generate stunning images with Nano Banana and then use complementary tools like Veo 3 to animate them into full videos. For example, create a product image first, then generate an entire promotional video sequence using Veo 3's capabilities. While Nano Banana represents a massive leap forward in AI image editing, it's important to understand its current limitations. Multi-turn editing sessions may gradually reduce image quality or introduce slight distortions, particularly when working with human faces. The Gemini web interface automatically adds watermarks to all outputs, though the Imagen app does not include these. The AI still struggles with extremely complex edits, like perfectly removing all clothing layers in virtual try-ons without any artifacts. Output resolution is also somewhat limited when using the free Gemini platform compared to professional editing software. Fortunately, there are several strategies to overcome these limitations. Make full use of negative prompts to guide the AI away from common errors. Always start with the highest quality source images you can obtain. Use the upscaling features available in Imagen when you need better resolution. Sometimes, breaking down one complex transformation into several simpler sequential prompts yields dramatically better results than attempting everything in a single command. In summary, Nano Banana represents a revolutionary step forward in making professional-level AI image editing accessible and intuitive for everyone. Remember to access the platform through either Gemini or Imagen. Always upload high-quality source images, craft detailed and specific prompts while using negative guidance when needed. Carefully adjust your creativity strength settings, generate multiple iterations to compare results, and finally download or upscale your masterpiece. The potential applications are virtually limitless, ranging from personal creative fun to serious professional workflows in e-commerce, digital marketing, graphic design, and content creation. Thanks so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more AI tool guides and creative tutorials. Happy editing, everyone!